We have 2 points given again. We're supposed to find slope first. This is my point 1 and this is my point 2. This is my x1, y1, x2, y2. We have to find slope first. M is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equal y2 is equal 7 minus y1, which is equal 0, over x2, which is equal 0, minus x1, which is equal 5. This is 7 over negative 5 equals minus 7 over 5. Okay, so this is my slope. Slope is equal minus 7 over 5. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Next, we're supposed to substitute the variables by the numbers. So we have y minus y1 is equal 0 equals m minus 7 over 5, and I have x minus x1, which is equal 5. We have y equals minus 7 over 5x, because I have to distribute this negative 7 over 5 to the parentheses, and I have minus 7 over 5 times negative 5. I'm going to have positive 7 over 5 times 5. 5 and 5 will cancel out, and I'm going to end up with y equals minus 7 over 5x plus 7. And this is the solution to my problem.